I hope Ronnie helps him guide it under the bridge so we don't take out one of the piles. Hey Pierre, what you been doing? What is this thing? Oh, is that? I think that's the pub and grub. I think that's what it says. I think that's what place I'm thinking about. I think it's called the pub and grub.
Yeah, that over there, like the private residence.
Yeah.
I think that used to be like a marina, didn't it? Long time ago? Not long.
I don't know. Hey, Ron.
I think it used to be a marina and they turned it into like a private residence and then that pub and grub was there.
Yeah. I wonder what the pub and grub is like. With the name like grub, you kind of have to wonder a little bit.
Daddy took us to the what is it? Water Buffalo Grill?
Buffalo Creek Grill.
Buffalo Creek Grill.
That's around here?
It's yes,
good.
near here, isn't it?
Huh?
It's that Buffalo Creek Grill. Is it near here?
Near here?
Yeah.
No, it's over the
Well, the other way, but it's
That's off Lucky.
yeah, we went up there. It's pretty good.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I hadn't even heard of that.
It's good. With
We
hamburgers.
dogged over there before. Remember we take jet skis over there?
Yeah. Yeah, I remember loading or unloading them over there or something.
You okay, Mama? You okay?
Stop on a bridge, you get cars going.
You scared? Not even with Pierce driving?
I'm not afraid of the water, Granny, and I know how to swim, and I was scared.
I was a little scared.
Yeah, Pierce, he kind of likes to floor it a little bit.
Look at those.
And, he sucks his vitamin loop in.
Dude,
It's faster.
what are those like barn swallows or something up there?
Oh, they're dirt divers.
Those are bird nests.
Those are bird nests?
I think they're bird nests.
I think we have to be very scared.
Bridge will fall, dude.
You hear the car?